7 amazing Dollar Tree hidden gems right now that are going to save you so much money. We are going to beat Amazon hands down. Plus, I have a super clever home hack for you that's going to solve an everyday kitchen problem. Stay tuned. Plus, I found an item at Dollar Tree today. Oh my word, I've spent so much money on these on Amazon. Not anymore. Oh, and since I have 2 friends that have decided to join our party here today, I'm going to be testing out a Dollar Tree potential hidden gem. Stay tuned. You know that we love all things organization around here, so these acrylic organizers, $15, also around $10. Heck to the no, we're going to save ourselves a ton of money. These are great for so many different things. I go to multiple Dollar Trees and these are not always in stock, so if you find them at your local Dollar Tree, grab a few. It's great because it has a lid which makes it easily stackable. In our house, we like to store our nails in here. Each compartment holds a different size nail, and it's great, especially if you want to keep things organized, because you can stack additional ones on top. You could put screws in another one. These are also fantastic to use in a bathroom. You could also put chopsticks in here. The possibilities are endless, and it's nice because you can see the contents inside. I almost peed my pants when I was in Dollar Tree because these on Amazon are around $25. No joke, $25 for these. And how about this felt organizer? Almost $13. Dollar Tree, you have really outdone yourself. You can get a gold in this. You can also get a rose gold. Now you can use this for letters and sorting your letters, but I have an even better idea for you. And oh my goodness, look at this gold basket organizer. I really wanted to get all of these, but I do not need them because my organization stash is getting too high. But if you're in the need to organize a kitchen, a desk drawer, and yes, that's my coffee hanging out there in Dollar Tree, this organizer would be great for organizing inside of your drawers. Maybe you have a kitchen cabinet, a junk drawer, a mudroom junk cabinet. I certainly have one of those. They also have these rose gold and gold pencil organizers. Stay tuned. I'm going to be coming up with an alternative idea on how to use these outside of storing your beautiful pens and pencils. As you can see, this Dollar Tree steal of a deal certainly organizes all your mail very nicely, or papers, or craft supplies. And what is also fantastic about this is you can bend it and mold it to whatever shape your heart desires. You can even organize your books. It is that fantastic, and it is super cool and super chic. Can you believe Amazon's selling this for like $25? This is my lid organizer that I did purchase from Amazon. It is fantastic, but you do not need to spend this kind of money. Let me show you how. You could zip tie 2 of these together, or you could use some E6000 glue if you wanted to, or just keep them separate, whatever your heart desires. Look at how nicely we can organize so many different shapes and sizes when it comes to, I don't want to say Tupperware because it's not Tupperware brand, but your holding containers for all of your leftovers and good tasty treats that you're waiting to eat. This is fantastic. And again, just bend and mold these to whatever you need. Maybe you need it a little bit wider. Maybe you need the little sections a little bit thinner. The possibilities are endless on this one. What is also great is that you can really access that vertical space when it comes to organizing items such as these. Oh my word, I almost peed my pants for a second time when I was in Dollar Tree. $10 for this game. It reminds me of some other adult games that you may find online, but here we are in the kids section. Now, I don't necessarily know that this is a kids game, but this looks so fun, so exciting. I love the weekends because that is when we have a chance to play some games together as a family, or just my husband and I. And lo and behold, at the checkout, Dollar Tree had a goodie. We have these Friends trivia cards and Seinfeld trivia cards. This would be really fun if you're just waiting for something, you have a little time to kill. Let me know in that comments box below. Are you team Seinfeld, Friends, or all of the above? I have to say, one of you left a comment recently and likened me to Monica, so I'll take that. Thank you. You know what's really annoying is when you have something up high, say a kitchen appliance that you can't reach, and then you need to drag your chair across the kitchen. Not anymore. Amazon's selling this step stool that's foldable with the handle for $15. Heck to the no on that one. In the Dollar Tree Plus section, 2 color options are available, sort of a gray and a black, for just $5. I have also seen these at Home Goods and they are much cheaper at Dollar Tree. So if you have a Plus section in your Dollar Tree, make sure that you grab one of these. And again, great for organization and storage because of the foldable feature. I have like 20 step stools in my house because of my small children. They are not foldable. However, I could not justify buying more. I wish these were around before I bought my current ones. And you know I love all things cleaning obsessed. The Zep Industrial Purple Degreaser for about $15 on Amazon. No way, Jose. Poor Jose, why does he get that? Okay, here we are at Dollar Tree in the Dollar Tree Plus section, and I swear this is the last Dollar Tree Plus section item, but I wanted to share it with you. If you have some heavy-duty degreasing needs, this will be perfect for you. And I just love the bottle and packaging. Grab some Odoban while you're there. That is also an excellent product. It is that time. The holiday season is upon us. By the way, why is there Christmas stuff in all the stores? Oh, I know why. Because they want you to spend more money faster than in previous years. Or maybe it's just me. I don't want the Christmas stuff in the stores, but Amazon has these boxes for a much heftier price. If you need any sort of party supplies or decor supplies for an event, go to Dollar Tree first, especially when it comes to favor boxes. And maybe you have a piece of clothing that you want to package up, a gift for a loved one for Christmas or the holidays. Pick up a pack at Dollar Tree. And can we get a count how many times I will annoyingly say Dollar Tree throughout this video? Maybe take a drink of your coffee, your iced tea, an adult beverage, you name it. These gift boxes come in 2 different sizes. I would imagine that these are going to be sold out pretty quickly, especially if you do not have any laying around from previous years and gifts that you have received. I know that I do not have any anymore. Maybe you're looking to refresh a part of your home. I know that we recently did our entire basement and I purchased several of these. I won't say from where, Dollar Tree, and they're like $10 on Amazon. Dollar Tree has so many beautiful options. Stay tuned. I will show you how I have used these in my home. This would be like a 30-minute video if I added this portion to it, but I'm just loving all these different options for adults, for kids, for a bathroom, for anywhere in your home, really. In the same category, let's talk about adhesives and iron-on things. My daughter has a Halloween party coming up for her dance studio, and man, these are way more expensive on Amazon. So I want to pick up this queen one and just see how this works because it has such intricate detail, but you could also get the Hope one. They are going to be bakers for their Halloween party. So let's see how well these are put to the test. You're going to save a lot of money when you go to Dollar Tree for these items rather than getting them elsewhere. Now this apron and chef hat was purchased from Amazon. Dollar Tree, if you had one, I definitely would have got it there. Now I made a mistake when it came to using this. I let my iron get too hot, and what you will see is that the plastic starts to shrivel up, and then you have to wait for it to cool and then try to reapply it again. So moral of the story, err on the side of caution and make sure that the heat is reduced on your iron. But I will say overall, this did turn out pretty nicely despite my user error. This is another steal of a deal. I found the exact same item on Amazon for about $9. Dollar Tree has you covered. If you need to cut some tablets or pills, I haven't thought of an alternative creative solution yet for this pill cutter outside of the pills. If you have, let me know in that comments box below, but grab yours right here. I tend to shy away from creams and makeups and that sort of thing at Dollar Tree, but I really wanted to give this an honest review, especially the winter months are upon us and my skin starts to dry. It is very dry. It's kind of like leather right now. It's so sad. So this glowing skincare line is at Dollar Tree and it's on Amazon. And then these capsule sort of beads, I was like, holy smokes, over $30 for those. Dollar Tree has these exact same items. So I wanted to put them to the test. And by the way, I love the packaging on this. I've been using a product at Target, just sort of a store-bought one, and I don't know, it hasn't been doing the trick. So I was open to trying this Dollar Tree version. On the back, I love all of these things. Fragrance-free, not tested on animals, for all skin types, silicone-free, alcohol-free, all the good things that you want when it comes to things that you put on your face. And I have to tell you, I have purchased hundreds of dollars on very expensive skincare items and creams and anti-aging. And honestly, I cannot tell the difference from when I spend a lot of money and from when I spend a little amount of money. Let me know in that comments box below if you can relate to me on that one. I keep seeing these capsules, so I thought I needed to try them. It seems a little inconvenient. Like, why would you need to open a capsule when it would be easier just to pump something into your hand? But they're super cool, so I got some of these as well. Many of you asked me about my skincare routine, and I will tell you, less is more. I try to wear a minimal amount of makeup. I only put the makeup on once a day, so to speak. The big difference between your skin, I think it has to do with what you put in to your body and how much rest you're getting, and are you hydrated? Not necessarily about all the very expensive creams. Your lifestyle and diet make more of a difference than anything else. And in full disclosure, I used to watch some sort of beauty influencers on YouTube in the past, and they would just cake on layer by layer of makeup on their face. I could not understand all the artwork that they were doing. I appreciate it, but heck to the no, that is definitely not my jam. When I have bought cheaper creams in the past, they are more water-based, and you can tell when you touch it, but not this one. It was a nice, thick consistency. Now, it has been several days later, and I will say that I'm still loving this product. I think it is wonderful, especially considering the price point. Here's something I've given too many of my dollars to Amazon for, and it is chip bag sealers, because we have a ton of snacks in this house. $10, super cute, but I found this at the checkout. I almost missed it. I was grateful to wait in line. This handheld bag sealer with magnetic strip, by the way. When I purchased them on Amazon, they did not have that feature. Now, it does say that you should not use rechargeable batteries. However, that's all that I had on hand. I'm not really sure why it says that, but it seems to be working just fine several days later, still in my house. And there's also sort of this safety guard. I don't really know how functional that is, but that is definitely a feature that is there. I just love how this is magnetic so that you can easily access it when you need it. When things are tucked away in drawers, oftentimes you don't use those items as frequently, kind of like all those fun kitchen gadget supplies that we buy on impulse. Yes, I'm guilty of them. So watch this. I'm going to show you how well this works. I was very surprised, hands down. This bag sealer did an amazing job. This would be great to go as a stocking stuffer. Oh yeah. How about these non-medicated Blemish patches? Now, you certainly could put some toothpaste on your pimples and zits, or you could put some crushed aspirin, but I wanted to try these out. I had these in my Dollar Tree back stock. I'm not sure if they still carry them. I got about a couple of months ago, but I have these couple of zits that have been lingering around for about a week. So I put them to the test and put them on my face overnight. Good morning. It's like 4:48 in the morning. I'm getting ready to go to a fitness class. This one fell off, obviously, but let's try this one up here. It's supposed to turn white, it says, but I don't know. This one's stuck on really well. I think it might have worked. I'm surprisingly impressed. I'm gonna try these again when I get some more zits, so probably in about another month. Wink, wink. But I'm liking this. And then the face creams, the next day I haven't washed my face. My face feels nice, so thumbs up for this one. Now, here are some products that you are definitely going to want to pick up the next time you are in Dollar Tree. This bath soap pouch. I'm going to show you in an upcoming video how I creatively use this to solve an everyday kitchen problem. These have been at Dollar Tree for a while, but you're going to look at these in a whole different light. I found these gorgeous long organizers in the kitchen section. So maybe you have a drawer in your kitchen that you want to organize. Now be careful. One of these was cracked. Actually, two of these were cracked. That's why I did not purchase any of them. And the fact that I have probably way too many organizers already, but these are fantastic. I just needed to call out this item, Green Verde Color Mist Food Color Spray. I have never seen food coloring spray before. Apparently, I've been hiding under a rock. Let me know how you use this in your home, and if this product is any good, let the rest of us know. And this goes without saying, but Dollar Tree has amazing hair care products. Anytime I need a scrunchie, I need a hair clip, I need something cute to put in my hair or my kids' hair, I always go to Dollar Tree. And these adorable heart decor containers, I could not help myself. I wanted to buy all of them, but again, I cannot. I have to restrain at times. But we have sort of this greenish blue color, mint green, pink, and purple. These are just gorgeous as a little drop if you want to put earrings in here, rings in here. You could put hair binders in there. Oh my word. I love all things chocolate, especially in the afternoon with a nice cup of coffee. Normally I buy the Reese's Thins. I have never seen the Kit Kat Thins until this particular shopping trip at Dollar Tree. Kit Kat has always been my favorite candy bar. Let us know in the comments box below what your favorite candy bar is. I will say Twix probably comes in a good second. This wire organizer I did purchase. I'm going to show you some different ways to use this in an upcoming video, so make sure that you are subscribed with those notification bells turned on. This over the chair storage. This is also another item that I purchased. I'm going to show you some ways again in an upcoming video. We don't want a 40-minute video on our hands if we don't have to. And if you are in need of a 2024 calendar, Dollar Tree has so many different options and planners. They are so beautiful, and many times the calendars come with these gorgeous pictures that you can just take the picture out, put in a picture frame, and put it in your house. I know I've done this one particularly with coffee. Do you see these wood dowels? Okay, typically it's for a plunger of some sort or something cleaning related. I have something else coming up for you, so make sure that you grab one of these on your next Dollar Tree excursion. This is a what not to buy. I have found that these scrub brushes with the handle leak. I had it in my shower, I had it in my kitchen. It was really annoying, and then the sponge would just fall off, so avoid this item. Cold weather is upon us, especially here in Minnesota. These gloves, you want to have a couple of these on hand, especially these are fantastic because you can text through them, you can use your phone. By the way, I don't think they should make gloves without this function available to you, because we all have our phones attached to us when we're on the go, in the car, outside. And I love these different headband ear warmers, so many different color options here. I have a more expensive one. I should have got it here at Dollar Tree. And gift cards. I did not realize the plethora amount of gift cards that Dollar Tree has. I mean, I've never seen so many different varieties in a store like Dollar Tree. Five Guys, Applebee's, Cold Stone, Sonic. And on the other side of this, there were even more available. I love getting gift cards. It's like a gift that keeps on giving. You have it in your purse or your pocket and you forget you had it there, and then you realize you have it and you're like, holy smokes, look at how much I'm saving today. If you have not, make sure that you sign up for the free weekly and cleaning organizing newsletter that is linked in that description box below. If you want to see some more Dollar Tree hidden gems, click this video on screen now. But if you want to see a really cool way to use a Dollar Tree dartboard, but not for darts, home hacks, click this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.